Hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you all how to change the opacity of a photo inside of Photoshop. Now, as an example here, I will be using this lion image and the savanna in the background. What I will be doing is reducing the opacity of this lion so we can see the savanna inside of the lion, but also being able to somewhat be seeing the lion, which is reducing the opacity of the lion. And this is very simple. So in my example, I will quickly remodel the shape of my lion right here. Let's say I want to put him in this corner right here. So I do this, press enter, and now I have this layer 2, which is the lion. And in order to reduce the opacity, all we have to do is go right here to this opacity corner, select it, and we can drag it either very low or high. So right here, you cannot see the image because the opacity is at 0, and if we bring it all the way up, it's at 100. So a good opacity level for our case would be around 55 to 60%. So right here, we can now see that this line, I reduced the opacity of this line, and now we can see the background of the savanna somewhat through the line. And that is how you reduce your opacity or change the opacity of an image inside of Photoshop.